Now, there's a spectrum of muscle tension in your body, from relaxed to very tense. Your body has like a current volume of tension, okay? So when you release it any which way, carrying a heavy backpack, I don't think that has anything to do with oxytocin, dopamine, or serotonin, okay? If you carry a heavy backpack, that releases excess tension.
Just like a weighted blanket.
And then you lower the total body volume of excess tension, including ease. And by the way, if someone has anxiety, to my understanding, an anxiety state, like generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, well, there's lots of things involved with those, but there is a huge element with spasming, contracted blood vessels in the brain and also in the chest. When you feel panicky, if you feel panic in your chest, it is most likely constriction of the blood vessels in your chest and also other muscles. And if you feel panic in your brain, it is most likely from constriction of blood vessels in your brain. And so there's a continuum, a spectrum, from relaxation to tension. And if you tend to be an insomniac, what is beyond that is anxiety. And beyond that is unbearable, intolerable nervous system overdrive, which is usually induced by street drugs or pharmaceutical drugs or cessation of them or some sort of other illness. Yeah, so that is how a weighted blanket works to my knowledge. It has to do with releasing excess body tension via holding up weight from the skeletal muscles. It lowers the tension in the blood vessels, including the brain and the chest. However, I think if you overdo it, you would actually make things worse, possibly. Shameless plug. Get one of these t-shirts if you want, and that was 2020. If you resonate with me and my channel, consider subscribing, and please like this video if it was entertaining or educational. Bye-bye.